Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe an ideal and perfect place where you would like to stay, e.g. a house, an apartment. You should say where it would be, what it would look like, what special features it would have, whether it would be big or small, and explain why it would be an ideal place for you. I have a desire to live in a quiet villa in the Himachal Pradesh or Uttarakhand hills, away from the bustle of the city, surrounded by beautiful scenery, and with clean air. For me, a house in the hills would be the ideal getaway from the hectic city life because I adore the outdoors and peaceful settings. A medium-sized cottage-style home that is primarily made of stone and wood for a cozy, rustic appearance would be excellent. Large glass windows providing a stunning view of the mountains and sunrise are something I would really want to see. The home would feature a modest library or reading nook, a comfortable living area with a fireplace, and 2 or 3 bedrooms. Its attractiveness would be enhanced with a little garden in the front with flowers, herbs, and perhaps a hammock. A rooftop or balcony with a seating area where I could take in the view while reading a book or sipping tea is one of the most unique things I would desire in a home. Since I'm really interested in spirituality and mental health, it would also contain a separate space for yoga or meditation. I could need to work from home or keep in touch with the outside world, so having high-speed internet would also be crucial. Since I support minimalist living, a straightforward, clutter-free existence that promotes peace of mind, I wouldn't want the house to be very large. I would like it to be comfortable enough to occasionally invite close friends or family while also being homey and low maintenance. Because it embodies my beliefs as a person, peace, nature, simplicity, and meaningful living, this property would be perfect for me. Having a house in the mountains would enable me to concentrate on mental relaxation, creativity, and personal development. I've always felt more at peace there. I could read, write, reflect profoundly, and simply take in life's beauties at a slower pace in this kind of setting. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.